bad. All right, 7 is on your side with this health alert now, and skin cancer. It is one of the most common forms of cancer here in the U.S. Most are caused by too much exposure to ultraviolet light, but protecting your body from the sun can definitely help. And Dr. Korin Hudson of MedStar Health and team doctor for the Wizards and the Capitals joins us now live with how you can protect yourself if you're headed to the beach, to the pool, or just spending time outside. So good morning to you, Dr. Hudson. Great to have you on the show.
Good morning.
So this being Sun Safety Week and also National Sunscreen Day, how often should we sun lovers slather on that sunscreen?
That's one of the most important things. We did a survey through MedStar Health and found out that only 1 in 4 adults knows that you need to reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours while you're outside in order to keep your skin safe.
And that's not just the waterproof kind, it's any kind, right?
That's every kind of sunscreen. The waterproof kind is great, but we need to make sure it's applied before we go outside and it has had a chance to dry and fully soak into our skin before we get into the waves or get into the pool.
And are there certain areas of our bodies that we kind of forget to treat with sunscreen? I mean, I hear that the ears are one of those places.
The ears, certainly the back of the neck, the tops of the feet. There are lots of places where people just forget to get the sunscreen. It's important to make sure we're covered from head to toe.
All right, let's talk about those heat-related illnesses and what are the best ways to sort of avoid getting overcome by heat?
So it's really important that we plan before we go outside. We want to make sure that we stay well hydrated. We have those loose-fitting, light-colored clothing, the moisture-wicking fabrics that help evaporate sweat from our bodies. And we need to have an emergency plan so that when we start getting overheated or we notice that our parents or our children are getting too hot, they're getting drowsy and lethargic, that we can get them out of the heat quickly and get them cooled down fast.
Mm-hmm. Now, I understand that MedStar Health has something special that's planned for this weekend. Tell us about it.
We do, weather permitting, and we may get rained out this weekend, but we have a plane that's going to go back and forth between Ocean City and Rehoboth with a message every 2 hours reminding people to reapply their sunscreen. And if we don't make it this week because of the weather, we're going to be out there next weekend, making sure everybody stays safe.
Oh, that's great. You're talking about a plane with the banner that trails behind it?
Exactly, the ones you see going up and down the beach when you're sitting outside.
All the time. All right. So where can we go if we need some more information about how to stay safe in the sun?
So MedStarHealth.org should be a great location for everybody to get additional information about Sun Safety Week and all sorts of tips of staying healthy and safe this summer.
All right. Thanks so much, Dr. Korin Hudson of MedStar Health.